Here is one stock that I'm paying attention to before the market opens tomorrow, and that is American Airlines. I really hope that you guys learned something new, and if you do, please consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing if you feel like we earned it. Super quickly, American Airlines is set to report earnings tomorrow before the market actually opens. It has an expectation of an earnings per share of $1.07 and overall revenue to be at $14.39 billion. With that being said, American Airlines has not had the best 2024, to say the least. Many airlines have not. I mean, with Spirit Airlines in the brinks of filing for bankruptcy and American Airlines consistently showing signs of lower highs and lower lows, I wanted to show you how its performance has been for 2024. This is the start of 2024, and this is where we're at right now. We are at 52-week lows. So it's going to be very interesting to see that tomorrow before the market opens, we're going to either see a very dramatic recovery or significant sell-off with American Airlines. It's currently at $10 per share, and this is, again, one of the lowest points that it's been in quite some time. We can even date back to, what is this, pandemic levels. We were trading at around $9.20. And that's the really scary thing about this, is that American Airlines has become so oversold that it's now trading back at levels that it was at 2020 when the overall world was closed. So is this a buy opportunity? Is this a potential support that if we break below this, we could potentially continue to sell off and go even lower? As of right now, it's too early to tell. There's so much selling pressure that is presenting itself. If you look at this on the 4-hour time frame, I think American Airlines is a great example of a stock that can continue to get lower and lower and lower and consistently make lower highs and lower lows. So I'm really excited to see if, okay, is this going to be a day trade setup where I want to go long, or am I just going to want to short this because it's going to break $10 per share and then start free falling? So again, this one is set to report earnings tomorrow before the market opens. And it's probably one of the most significant companies tomorrow, in my opinion, that's going to be reporting earnings. Following with Tesla reporting earnings as of yesterday, I also want to make sure that I point out that Tesla did end up selling off a total of 12.33%, retracing very close to that moving average on the 4-hour time frame, and on the 1 hour, we're far below EMA and we're far below the moving average. But it wasn't just Tesla itself, it was the overall NASDAQ market, and SQQQ had an amazing performance at a 10.76% return. So again, we will be covering this during our live trading session tomorrow. I hope to see you there. If you ever want to see me trade live, every single morning. I do it every single morning right at market open. And again, you can sign up tonight. You can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. And yes, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you get to watch me trade live every single day. So I hope to see you there. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.